Get ready to set sail for an incredible adventure. But first, let's make sure you've got everything you need for a fantastic and safe boat ride. First things first, sun protection is paramount. Pack a high SPF, broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin from those powerful UV rays. Even on cloudy days, you'll thank yourself later. Next, a wide-brimmed hat is an absolute must. It shields your face and neck from the sun. And bonus, it can keep your hair from whipping around in the wind. Just make sure it's one that won't blow away easily. When it comes to clothing, think layers and quick-dry fabrics. A lightweight, long-sleeved shirt and quick-drying shorts or pants are ideal to protect you from the sun, and if you get splashed, maybe even bring a light jacket or windbreaker for cooler moments. Now for the absolute non-negotiable safety gear. Always check that your boat provides enough personal flotation devices or life jackets for everyone on board. Knowing where they are and how to use them is crucial before you even leave the dock. Bringing a small, waterproof first aid kit is also a smart move for minor cuts, scrapes, or seasickness. Better safe than sorry when you're out on the water. Finally, don't forget a pair of polarized sunglasses to reduce glare from the water and protect your eyes. And for added comfort, consider a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated and a waterproof bag to keep your valuables dry. With these essentials packed, you're all set to enjoy a comfortable, safe, and truly unforgettable boat ride. #BoatRideEssentials #WaterSafety.